In this video, we will be covering how to add sold listings to your WordPress website. These will be under your featured properties in most cases. And these would be for listings that are not automatically added by your MLS. In a lot of cases, sold listings that sold before the website was created do not show up. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is log into the WordPress backend. So under the admin of WordPress, which is what you see right now. So let's go there, and what you're going to do is click on to IDX control panel under AboveMLS. So on the left side, AboveMLS, click on IDX control panel. And it should open up in a new window. If it doesn't, make sure that your pop-ups are not being blocked. You might see a notification somewhere that a pop-up is being blocked. So please make sure to check that and make sure that pop-ups are enabled for your site. Okay, once you get into your IDX control panel, we're going to click on listings. And then we're going to click on sold listings. There we go, sold off market. Okay, so we have one in there right now, so we're going to add a new one. So click on add a sold pending button. Then we're going to enter all the information about the property. So show on website, yes. Property status would be sold. House number, in my case here, 1665. Of course, this will be different for you. City, say, California, zip code. Okay, show address. We want to show house number and street name, unless you can change that if you'd like. Property type, we're going to choose house for this one. Enter the beds and the baths, half baths, square feet, year built, the list price, okay, the selling price, show sold price on website, yes. Enter the sold date, month, day, year, format, like that. And then a description. So if you have a description about the property, you can copy and paste that, or you can type it in. If you copy and paste, make sure to use this feature here. There's this button right here called Paste from Word. It's a little W on it. You want to click on that and then paste in your copy from Word, or if you copied it from a website, because we need to remove the formatting that would be coming over from that. We don't want that. So we do that, click OK, and then you can see that there's no formatting with the text. That's the way we want it. Virtual tour. If you have a virtual tour URL, you can enter that. We have one in this case, so I'm going to grab that. Okay, I'm going to paste this in here. Okay. You can change what it says, virtual tour, if you want to change it to something else. You can add an extra link if you want. I'm not going to do that. In this case, I don't have anything. And under map options, map on should be set to yes. Okay, then click Save Property Information. All right, now it's saved. Now we need to add photos. So you need to have the photos on your computer somewhere. It's where it says From File, and then we're going to click Choose File. I'm going to browse to my computer and open up the folder where I have the photos. Click on the photo, double click, and then where it says Image Width, we want to change this to 800. That's the max. We want to make it as big as it can be. And then since this is the first one, I'm going to make it the main photo. I'm going to check that. Click Add Photo. We'll wait for that to upload. And then I'm going to add a couple more. That's not the main photo, but I do want it to be 800 pixels wide. And we're going to add one more. You can add more photos, of course, if you'd like. Always make sure you make the width 800. Okay, then you can rearrange the photos if you'd like in a different order. And that's it. That will do it. That's how you add feature properties, sold properties on your WordPress website.